Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trying to create a pattern and now it is above a level of 30, as you can see looking at this particular chart. 30.705 we can see, and what you have seen that this level we have seen in the second previous weeks of around 30.3. this is the high and it has crossed this level, and chances are very high that we can see a further upside towards a level of 31.8, and from there it can cross a level of 32.4. this is the level, and if the price keep moving above this level, we can see there will be a zone breakout. So chances can be high it can go further upside towards a level of 33, and from there a level of 34. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see, because if you look at this particular trend, there is a zone breakout. So chances can be high a further upside movement we can see from there to a level of around 37 also, if the price started moving above a level of 34. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that this is the particular U pattern is forming, and then this particular pattern is supporting. So we can see it can go towards 31.6, and then from there a level of $32.6. How the price of silver is moving for so far, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen after lockdown, there is a continuous upside and then a profit booking is coming in most of the time, and then it is falling. Now it was after that, how it was moving in a zone. If you look at the lockdown, what we have seen, it is continuously moving upside. We have seen only at this particular level where the profit booking has come, otherwise it is moving in a zone. As soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen a fall and then again a zone breakout. If you look at this particular trend, whenever there is a zone breakout upside or downfall, we have seen there is a good movement happens in the silver price. Okay, now there is what we can see, there is a zone breakout happens we have seen at this particular level, and chances can be high it can move towards 31.6 and then further upside. Okay, but if you look at the dollar index, see, we have seen dollar index trying to go upside, didn't sustain this particular level, and chances can be high a further downfall we can see in the dollar index. I've already explained you that the dollar index, if started falling below $100.5, we can see there will be a further downfall in the price of silver. Okay, but if the price of dollar started going down, we will see that 100.5, the dollar index started going down, then we can see the silver price will come up, which is on a higher probability that it can further fall, because there is a clear pattern forming towards this side. But if the dollar index started sustaining above a level of 101.5, we can see dollar index will go upside and the price of silver can come down. This is how they moves. Okay, but sometimes they move in one direction. In that case, this is rarely happens, but in that case you have to put your SL. Otherwise also you have to put your SL, because you have to understand market is uncertain. Okay, and this putting your SL will save your capital and trailing your SL will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, and if you are doing these two things, it will be beneficial in the long run, so that your capital should not be wiped out and profit can be more. Coming back on the silver price, what we can see, suppose if the silver price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $31.4. Okay, if the price started moving above this level, a probability of going towards 31.8. Okay, and once the price started going up 31.8, we will see a level of $32.2, and from there a further high towards a level of 32.49. and this is the high what we have seen. This is the level, and once started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, understand something. See, market is always uncertain. So if the price started going above a level of 32.6, we will see there will be an upside movement. Okay, and towards a level of $33, and then to a level of 33.5, to a level of $34. What you can do is you can trail your SL by $0.2, so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside, because then there will be a zone breakout happens at this level, and then we can see there will be a chances that it can go towards a level of 32.4, then to a level of 34.34, and then to a level of 31.5.3. so there is a higher chances of further upside movement we can see. What we have seen, gold has already made an all-time high. Okay, there is a chances that silver is also trying to go higher, and as soon as the price started going above a level of 34, we can see there will be a chances of further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is uncertain. Okay, so you have to put the SL whenever you start trading. Okay, and once you start profit, try to trail it. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $30.2, and if the price started falling below this level, chances of going towards $29.19 will be there. If the price started falling below a level of 29.19, chances are high it will fall further down towards $28.6. Okay, and then we can see it will fall further down towards $27.58. Again, I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down towards a level of 30.2, then to a level of 29.19, and from there a level of 28.16. If the price started falling below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of around 28.47, then to a level of 27.58. And if the price started falling below that particular level, we will see it will fall further level, this particular level, and can go towards 27. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a level of 26.4 we can see. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see, and chances are low that it can go below a level of 26.3 this week. And we see, market is uncertain, we cannot say, but if the price started falling below this particular zone, it will move in this particular zone, so chances of going towards a level of 25.8, and we can see, and then from there a level of 25.4. If the price started falling below 26, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please